Part 4 of 10 nozzle pin. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the units millimeter. Enter the name nozzle pin. Click OK. Create a sketch for our revolve feature. Select YZ datum plane. Profile line. Select from the sketch origin. Enter the distance 1.75 mm. Angle 90 degree. Enter the distance length line angle 0 degree. Enter the length 1.25 mm angle 90 degree. And enter the horizontal length 19 mm angle 0 degree. And draw a taper line and complete the select view and decrease the size of the dimensions. Create a angular dimension. Select this angle to 45 degree. Finish the sketch. Now select revolve. The section is selected by default. Specify the vector. Select the line 6 of our sketch. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File goes all parts. This completes Code E Part 4 of 10 nozzle pin.